my feet burnt, and I walked the floor, and I tried to get them cool, and I couldn't sleep. It was a nightmare. They burnt up. They literally just almost burnt. I just couldn't handle it anymore. I was at home, and they told me to stay in bed, and I just couldn't stand anymore.
Mrs. Bare came to us with an ulcer on her foot. She was having a severe pain, and she had poor circulation in her left leg, and she was referred to us to treat that. She had been told somewhere else that there's not much that can be done, and that's how we got to know her at first. That's one of the symptoms of poor circulation, is having pain. Sometimes it's a burning pain, sometimes it's sharp, dull pain, but she had an open ulcer that can cause a pretty sharp burning pain in that area, and that was from poor circulation, not getting enough oxygen to the tissues. So we did the standardized testing to check for the amount of blood flow she has there. We also did the catheterization that showed severe blockage in her artery around her knee and the thigh area that was compromising the blood flow. As part of our workup too, we discovered that she had an abnormal noise on her carotid artery, and further testing showed that she had severe blockage in that artery. So we decided that we will open up her leg artery first with a balloon, although we know that's not going to be a very durable result, but at least we'll get her out of the pain she's been having until we can get the carotid artery taken care of. And then once that's taken care of, then we can go back and do a bypass on her leg, which is a more definitive and long-term treatment. There's a new procedure for the carotid artery called the TCAR, whereby we go directly in the carotid artery in the neck, place a sheath, which is a kind of a catheter, reverse the blood flow away from the brain and into the femoral vein in the groin area. Then we cross the blockage with a wire, balloon the artery, and then stent it. All while the blood flow is going away from the brain, and therefore there is no significant risk of stroke.
He saved my life. He saved my life. And he is an angel in disguise. It is heaven on earth. I mean, it is so fabulous. I mean, no words can express, because I love the outdoors. I am in my sixth heaven, whatever you want to call it. If I'm on my lawnmower, or if I'm out there digging, I've just got out there and cleaned that building and the lawnmower. And if it hadn't been so hot, I got my weed eating done. Well, Dr. Khoudoud will tell you I'm a pretty healthy old woman.